So, yes, this is a disclaimer. We are cleaning a catfish. This may offend some viewers. Viewer discretion is advised. Why not start? Hey everybody, welcome to Goodnight Gaming, and today, Goodnight Gaming's dad will be showing you how to clean a catfish. He will be doing the work. I will be doing the commentating. Let's just start. Remember to like and subscribe.
All right. How y'all doing? First off, you want to put a little incision right up here on the back of the catfish. That way you can skin him. You put a little incision right there. Put a cut on him. And then you get your pliers and you reach in there and you get that skin and you pull on it. And you pull it all the way off.
Make sure you have a bucket as well.
And that way we can get to filleting. That's what the goal is, to fillet. And there we go. Cut it pretty quick. This side,
There's a bug.
and we're almost done skinning him, and we will then fillet him. Let me get this a little bit off. There we go. All right, we are ready for action. First off, you want to take your fillet knife, go down the backbone. And you will feel it. Just run it right down through there, keeping it next to it.
Make sure you hold the knife good.
Hold the fish good, hold the knife good. And you run it all the way down his backbone. And once that one's started, you can come back in and go like this and just take your knife and kind of just fillet along there and bring him off. And that's how you get it started.
Oh, bug.
Yeah, well, that's okay. Bug's getting away. Stomping. Thank you. And
You know the rules, and so do I.
Yeah. And then you get that little piece started. Once you get that started, then you can bring it all the way down through there.
I know.
See how I'm getting next to that backbone? And you just keep following it. And I think this will be really good eating here in a little bit. You probably want to soak it overnight in salt water just in case.
Yes, in salt water.
Has to kill any larvae or anything that's going on. It's good just soaking in salt water.
So that because some fish might have some.
Salt water also softens meat.
Yes.
Yeah, softens your meat. It makes it really good eating.
Nice, tasty fillet.
And that's one side almost. With all the pinching bugs flying around, making it kind of difficult.
No bones?
No bones, just nothing but fillet. And that's what you'd pay for in a restaurant right there. And we'll put him in the water.
It's not him. It's his meat.
Well, I'm calling it him.
Okay.
So. All right, we'll do the other side. Right down the backbone again. And get it started. And our pinching bug is on the loose tonight, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
And it's about 10 o'clock at night in Texas. Well, I'm working on 11, right? We quit at 10:30. I correct myself. Because I wanted to make this video to show people how to skin a catfish. Once you get started down the backbone, you got her made. And watch your fingers at all times. 'Cause
Yes.
it is
You don't want to
sharp.
get them cut, or else.
And we'll peel this back and go right along there.
Pinching bug. Oh, that hurt.
Huh?
Pinching bugs do pinch.
Oh, they don't pitch that bad.
Well, not that bad, but you can feel it.
And sticking through right there. And just go ahead and falling down.
Oh, yeah. You know, comment down below if you think this looks fleshy or not.
And there's a lot of meat on there.
And then once you're done, same thing as you did the other meat, you put it in that bucket.
Man. Almost got it. And we'll be done. That's how you fillet catfish.
So you slowly skim the meat away from the bone.
Yep, you just keep on working it down through there until you get there. And once you're there, there you go. There's no bones in it. You just keep on working it. There you go. There's
That'd
two
be
fillets.
dinner for y'all.
I didn't bring out a bag. That's it, folks. And tune in to next time. Maybe we'll clean them again. Have a good day or a good night. Bye.